This guide will show you how to unbox and set up the AXIOM series of 3D printers. Shown here is the AXIOM 20, as the other models will be very similar. Start out by carefully cutting the tape and opening the box. Read the instruction manual carefully before unpacking and using your printer. Remove the top foam piece. Carefully remove the printer from the box. 2 people are required for the AXIOM 20. Cut the straps on the outside of the printer and remove the plastic wrapping. Remove the top dome and the foam insert. Cut and remove the zip ties on the rails and on the bed. This is very important. Place the printer on a workbench or a stable surface. Again, 2 people are required to lift the AXIOM 20. Open the door on the front of the printer, then remove the front foam piece. Now remove all the accessories from the foam block. Plug in the power cable, then turn the printer on. On the LCD screen, select Prepare, Move Axis, Move 1 mm, Move Z, and turn the dial counterclockwise. The heat bed will only move -6 mm. This will give enough clearance for the bed foam to be removed. Remove the foam from the printer. Auto home the printer by selecting Prepare, Auto Home. Remove the tape and stickers from the glass bed plate. Insert the glass into the side rails of the bed. Slide the glass plate back to the brush. On the LCD screen, choose Prepare, Preheat ABS, then choose Preheat All. Apply Wolfbite to the glass while the build plate is still cold. Push the Teflon tube into the push-to-connect fitting on the spool holder. Insert the spool holder onto the back of the printer. Place the spools onto the spool holder. Insert the filament down into the Teflon tube. Confirm the printer has reached the printing temperature for your filament. For ABS, the hot end should read 240. Cut the tip of the filament at a 45-degree angle. Select Prepare, Extruder 1, and select Load Filament. Insert the tip of the filament into feeder number 1. The extruder will take up to 5 seconds to activate. Apply some pressure on the filament until you feel the extruder grab and feed the material. Repeat the operation if using a dual head printer. The machine is now ready to print.